large and violent wedge tornado on the ground making a beeline for downtown Chattanooga. This is a tornado emergency for the city of Chattanooga and surrounding areas. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Residents in the emergency area need to seek an underground shelter now to protect your life. The National Weather Service in Morristown has issued a tornado warning for Hamilton County in eastern Tennessee, Marion County in eastern Tennessee, Bradley County in eastern Tennessee, until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:22 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a confirmed large and violent wedge tornado was located 5 miles west of Rock City Gardens, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. This is a tornado emergency for the city of Chattanooga and surrounding areas. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Residents in the emergency area need to seek an underground shelter now to protect your life. Hazard: deadly tornado and ping-pong ball-sized hail. Source: radar and storm spotters confirm large and violent wedge tornado. At 4:20 p.m., reports have come in that the Tennessee Aquarium took a direct hit from the tornado and suffered catastrophic damage. Impact: this is a life-threatening situation. You could be killed if you are not underground, or in a tornado shelter. Flying debris will be deadly to those caught without shelter. Home and business will suffer massive to catastrophic damage from the tornado upon impact. Trees will be uprooted or snapped. Debris will block most, if not all roads in the emergency area. Mass devastation is expected, making the area unrecognizable to survivors. Locations impacted include Chattanooga, Ruby Falls, Lookout Mountain, Rock City Gardens, Bluff View Art District, Coolidge Park, Soddy Daisy, Dunlap, and Whitwell. To repeat, a large, extremely violent, and deadly tornado is on the ground and is heading for the heart of Chattanooga. To protect your life, seek an underground shelter now. Above-ground shelters will provide no protection from the tornado and will become death traps. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: in Tennessee, Bradley, Hamilton, and Marion.